TripleChip. This is Unbox the Box, where today we're going to be showcasing the LAMONKE. I don't know how I should pronounce it right, but it's a 2-pack bike water bottle holder, no screws, bike cup holder, 360-degree rotating water bottle cage for bicycle, stroller, walker, and wheelchair. So now when I got it, it was 20. Now you can get it for 18. It doesn't come in no fancy packaging, but you get 2 of these. Is this what you're dealing with? Get 2 of them. And you get some other little sorted pads or something in here. No instructions or anything, so it looks like this would just probably screw onto this part, I assume. So what you're going to want to do first is, and there it looks like it's a sticker, but this is simply just going to rip off. It's just garbage. You can fit like a standard Costco bottle of water. Always Kirkland's good, probably about 10 cents a bottle. Maybe 15 now, but still pretty reasonable compared to any convenience store where you're probably paying $1.50 to $3 a bottle. So we're just going to take that, we're going to put it on here first. So it looks like you just need a Phillips screwdriver. This is the wrong way. Just going to want to unscrew this out. Get that screw out of there. Again, this is just going to go this way, so we're just going to put it dead center. You can go higher or lower if you want. But I think for maximum strain, right dead center is probably your best option. Let's just adjust it again. Sit down there. Rubber screw in. Give it a little bit of a tighten up. That should be good. So I'm thinking all these pads are for just so you don't scratch your bike. So we're just going to simply probably put it on like that. This wire we can just tuck in like so. So we'll put a couple of these pads on. Probably even that region should be good. Squeeze it down nice and firm. Just put it on the opposite side. Just to keep it from sliding up and down, probably. That's why I imagine these pads are on there. Just gonna try and eye out the other side somewhere. Right about Just kind of use the writing on here to see where you're going with it. Somewhere right about in there should be fine. Something like that. Get that on there nice and firm. It's not perfect, but who is perfect? Get that on there like so. We're just simply going to take, don't want to pinch this wire, so we're just going to put it on like that. Just going to turn this little adjuster. Get this nice and snug. Get this more. Okay, let's just turn this back a touch. Get this kind of lined up with the center of the bike. Probably just like that. Snap it into place. We'll try one more turn. Right, maybe that's good enough. We'll test the water bottle in it. Bam. Now when you're riding, you need a drink. It's right there. What could be any easier? So pick yourself up a LAMONKE. Or I don't know how you. It's not monkey because it's LAMONKE. Cycling necessity. Who doesn't need a nice cold drink when you're riding? So just make sure you. Now I got on a water bottle holder. Got my little speedometer, trip odometer. See, it's pretty loaded up now. So make sure you go to TripleChip's Adventures blogs. You can see me riding this. Gonna see some really cool videos soon. I got a little something you gotta watch where I got some, gonna have some really awesome shots, so gonna have plenty of those videos. So until next time, that's been it for TripleChip. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, throw me a thumbs up. And be sure to tell your friends and subscribe. Till next time, vlog is over. Catch you in the next one.